What's good, y'all? It's your girl, That Girl's Chill, and if you've been keeping up with me over on Instagram, you'll know that at my last hair appointment, when I got my roots retouched, I also got my hair straightened, as you can see clearly from this video. But yeah, so I've been rocking straight hair for a couple weeks now because change is good, right? You know, like I love the freedom that having straight hair gives me. I can just wake up and go. I do the little wrapping my hair around the little tool thing at night, and I wake up, just take it out, and I have nice beach waves, you know, ready to go, looking good every day when I wake up, no problem. But lately my hair has been telling me she's been missing something. You know, my roots, they're telling a whole different story, if you can see. Yuck. So, you know, it's time for me to get a little wash day going. I need to get rid of the straight hair and revert it back to curly. So today it's all about that self-care. So we're gonna wash away, you know, these 2 weeks that we've been going on. It's about 2 weeks, probably a little over 2 weeks. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my wash day ritual designed to quench my hair's thirst and give it the moisture that it needs. And best believe I got a little something, a little secret ingredient that I'm gonna share with you guys that I used in the shower to really just make those curls pop and just infuse my hair with so much moisture and also trap that moisture in, because I do have high porosity hair. So I just have a little secret ingredient that I use during one of the steps in the shower to just keep that moisture locked into my hair. So stick around and let's bring this natural texture back to life. It's time to get juicy.
Yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so step 1, fully saturate the hair with warm water. We all know the key to moisture starts before we even add any products. The water that you add into your hair in the shower is the most important step. So I go ahead and soak my hair thoroughly with warm water to open up the hair cuticles and making it ready to absorb all the good stuff that I'm going to come in and add to it later on. And I do this for, like, I'm not even joking, a good 2 to 3 minutes. I will just soak my hair in the water and just make sure it's fully saturated and every single strand has gotten some water on it. Step 2, scalp exfoliation. Healthy hair starts at the scalp. A gentle scrub helps remove any buildup that you have and also boosts circulation, which is great for hair growth. This scrub that I'm using today is a DIY scrub that I made using 2 tablespoons of organic cane sugar, 1 tablespoon of organic argan oil that my mother-in-law gets us from Morocco, and about 5 drops each of peppermint essential oil, which does things like increases blood flow, soothes irritation, and is also antimicrobial, and tea tree essential oil, which is antifungal and antibacterial, clarifying, so it further helps reduce any buildup that you have on your scalp, and it also reduces inflammation and is known to promote hair growth. So yeah, I decided to do a DIY a DIY scrub because the price of scalp scrubs is no joke. Like, when you go on Sephora and you see $40 for a scalp scrub, like, baby, I can go in my kitchen right now and get everything I need to be able to exfoliate my scalp, okay, properly, and my hair feels just great afterwards. I don't feel that it's necessary to spend $40 on a scalp scrub, but that's just me, okay? Step 3, strengthening and repairing shampoo. If you have high porosity hair like me, you'll know our hair can be more prone to breakage. So I use a shampoo tailored to strengthening and repairing my hair, giving my hair a nice strong base. And this one I'm using is the Redken acidic bonding concentrate, and as you can see, she thick. I love this shampoo. This has been my hair colorist recommended this shampoo to me, and yeah, ever since I've gotten it, I have seen some improvement in my hair, and I just really love it. Like, it's so thick and it just feels luxurious going on your hair. Like, it makes me enjoy this shampoo process. Step 4, moisturizing shampoo. This second shampoo is all about adding moisture. So you want to look for ingredients in your moisturizing shampoos that have glycerin or aloe vera. This one that I'm using is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate-Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. That is a mouthful, but it says it gently cleanses, hydrates, and detangles. And yeah, I really like this shampoo also. It's really thick as well. Like, I only have to use like maybe like a quarter size amount, and just that alone like gives me such a good lather where I can really just spread it all over my hair. And this is probably the only shampoo that I've used where I only have to use that amount. I usually always have to go for a little bit more to add towards the ends of my hair. And here I'm just wringing out the excess moisture in my hair to prepare for step 5, which is the moisturizing deep conditioner. Yay, the main event. So I love this deep conditioner. This is the Davines Love Curl mask, and yeah, this is my favorite deep conditioner as of late. And now we're on to step 6, the secret ingredient. This is an apple cider vinegar mix. This is my absolute secret weapon. So it's apple cider vinegar diluted with water, and I just spray that on top of my deep conditioner. So I still have deep conditioner in my hair. I spray it all over, and then I go through and detangle my hair. And what the apple cider vinegar rinse does is it helps close the hair cuticle. So like I said earlier, I have high porosity hair, and if you don't know what that is, that means that my hair is more prone to frizz because of the fact that my hair cuticles are always open. They're never fully closed. So it's easy for me to get moisture into my hair. It's so easy for me to get moisture into my hair. But the problem that I have is the moisture also just as easily leaves. So like when I'm doing my styling process, I could never get down the fact that like, why are my curls not coming out popping? It's because I didn't know I had high porosity hair. So I didn't know that in order for me to get my curls popping, my hair needed to be fully saturated, because the moisture just leaves my hair as soon as it touches it. Like, it's actually wild. It's so annoying. But yeah, so what this apple cider vinegar rinse does is it seals the cuticle. It helps close the hair cuticle because of the pH of the apple cider vinegar. So that's what it does, and it locks in the moisture of the that I'm getting from the deep conditioner while I'm in the shower. All that moisture that I just infused to my hair, it's locking that in there, so that when I get out the shower, I don't have dry hair. My hair is actually nice and shiny and moisturized. I'm not even kidding. This secret ingredient, like, try it please, because you'll be so amazed. Like, the shine that I get from this, the smoothness that I get from this, the curl definition, like, my hair does not feel dehydrated. And I'm gonna leave a link to the video of the girl that I discovered this from. I'm not sure if she's, I'm sure this is a thing that's been around. Like, I know I've seen this before, but her video is what taught me about using it in conjunction with the deep conditioner to get the ultimate moisture. So I'll leave her video linked down below so you guys can check that out as well. But yeah, this apple cider vinegar on top of your deep conditioner is honestly a game changer. Try it. And here I'm just popping on my shower cap so that my deep conditioner can set in my hair while I do the rest of my shower routine. Body stuff. body stuff. Alright, and now it's for the last step, step 7, strengthening conditioner. So after my deep conditioner, I finish with a regular conditioner, and this is the conditioner that just goes with the Redken shampoo. So it's the Redken Acidic Bonding Complex or Concentrate Conditioner. And I don't know if you knew this, but did you know that regular conditioners are actually designed to help close the hair cuticle? So shampoos are formulated to open up the hair cuticle so that you can like get moisture into your hair, and then conditioners are formulated to close the hair cuticle, which I didn't know that. I used to always just do my conditioner first and then do my deep conditioner after, but like now that I've learned that, that's also made a huge difference in the way that my hair feels after a shower, because yeah, I just did not know that conditioner is formulated to close your hair cuticle. So that's why I do the conditioner now after I do a deep conditioner. Alright, and we have reached the end of the video. This is actually the end of that day, so I did my little regular styling routine and sat under a hooded dryer, and now in this step I'm just going through and taking some hair oil and removing the cast from the gel that I used to style my hair. And actually, I forgot to mention earlier, the picture in the thumbnail is actually day 2 hair. So that's the picture that I took the next day after filming this. And I just cannot believe how good my curls looked. And even after sleeping it with my hair, like I can't like I'm getting so excited and like I'm flustered, because it's just like for the longest time, like for 2 years now, I've been struggling with my hair, like truly struggling, and it's been making me really upset. And I thought it was like maybe it's an aging thing and it's just something that I can't help. Like it was to the point where like if I slept with my hair in a pineapple, like it didn't do anything. Like my curls were all flat. I had the indentation from my silk scarf. Like it's a silk scarf, it should not. Why do I have an indentation? Like it just, my hair was just not healthy. Look at it though, look at it, like look at it. Yeah, this wash routine has really just changed my hair for the better, and I'm so thankful like for all the people that create YouTube videos and like put the information out there for us to learn how to take care of our hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.